Gosh, I totally forgot about this. When I found it in the empties, I got so excited. This is literally one of the best drugstore foundations. This is the Neutrogena Sensitive Skin Serum Foundation. Oh my God, look at this. Look at, I just put like a drop and you can see it seeping into my like crevices of my hand. Like, do you, yeah, like, do you see it?
It's like a little pattern.
Yeah, it's so thin. Like, look at how thin that is. I'm so obsessed. It's such a good foundation. This gives you the most flawless airbrushed look. Yeah, it's light. It's like a light to medium texture. It's not like, it's just like this one, you know, that I put on today. It's very light.
The Hydra Boost.
Yeah, it's just like the Hydra Boost in terms of coverage. It gives you just enough coverage. It just looks like your natural skin. Like a tint, exactly. But it's not like creamy. It doesn't get greasy. It just like, it just does its job and doesn't get any type of way, any weird type of way. So I am obsessed with this and I want to rebuy it now. I mean, this is must have been out for a while because like I totally forgot I even had this. So good.